Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praises for Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the one who give everything to everyone, the one who grow up everyone and everything, who give the revolution to everything. That's all praises for Him, all thanks to Him. So when we say Alhamdulillah, it is also related to thanks to Allah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said in the Quran, لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَإِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ. If you thanks to me, then I will give you more. But if you ungrateful to me, then surely my punishment is very severe, very hard. To learn to be grateful. Allah makes some people rich and some people poor. The people Allah make rich so they can help to the poor, and people make Allah poor is to be thankful to Allah. The poor people get the troubles in the financial problem. The rich people get problem with in other ways, with sicknesses, with hardship, with depression, with different ways, the sicknesses. So everyone learn to be thankful to Allah. And once you complain God, once you complain Allah, you already failed in your test. Allah can give the most luxurious and very healthy life to everyone, but He's doing it intentionally to giving some people different way of trials. So whatever trials we have, never give up your attitude being thankful to God. Always to be thankful, always to say, Alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. Thanks to Allah in all conditions. And also, Allah said in the Quran, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْسُوهَا. If you were to count the blessings of Allah, you can never count them. إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَظَلُومًا كَفَّارٌ. Surely the man is zalim, the unjust, and kuffar, he is ungrateful. So we remember this is the three parts of the Quran. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. All praises, all thanks to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَإِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ. If you thanks to me, I give you more. And if you are ungrateful to me, then my punishment is very hard. So not to be ungrateful, always to be thankful to Allah.